Today I have a very different, dramatic look for you. This is day 6 of 12 days of Christmas. If you don't know already, I'm doing 12 days straight of Christmas inspired looks. Today I have a look inspired by an Instagrammer, which I never get up. The eye is inspired by her. I just went wild with everything else. This is Sweezy Morgan, I think her name is. She did this last year and it's absolutely stunning. I think it was last year. Really inspired the brow and the halo eye. I will link her links down below, her Instagram and stuff like that. I believe she has a YouTube channel, so I will link that as well. I will link everything else as well I use on my face, as well as products I don't use in the video, so go check the description box out. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more videos like this. I do wild looks like this most of the time, so yeah, if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the eyes. I have done my base already. I have kept the contour so I can show you how I did it and stuff, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, but first I'm going to prime my eyelids. So I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the corner of my eye. Okay, so for the eye base I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Correct concealer in the shade C0 White. Okay, so then for the first shade, we're literally going to be taking 2 shades. First I'm going to take this dark blue and I'm putting this into the crease. It doesn't have to be neat because we're going to be blending this out. Like so. Now I'm going to take the lighter blue by here. Now I'm going to take this off because that's all I needed that for. Now I'm going to get the base on the back of my hand, and now I'm going to cut the halo eye. Now I'm just going to take the white in the palette and set that. Now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. On a tiny brush I'm going to pat this on the bit where we cut the crease. So now I'm going to put that white base in my eyebrows. I'm going to set the eyebrow with the Jeffree Star Skin Frost. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to take the light blue. I'm going to take the darker blue on the outer corner. Okay, so now going back to the lid, I'm going to take this shimmery blue by here and pop that in between the lid shade and the darker blue. And I'm going to go back into the darker blue and make sure that's blended. Then I'm going to add the glitter. So firstly I'm going to take the NYX glitter primer, pop that in the inner corner, and I'm going to take these 2 glitters. One is like a mint greeny kind of holographic one, and then this one's like a white holographic. I will link them down below. I did get them off eBay. glitter in the eyebrow. I'm going to take the more white one now. Put a black pencil in my waterline. Then I'm going to do a little bit of a black liner on the upper waterline, nothing special. I'm going to put white in the waterline. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Exit. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to go in with are the Tatty lashes in TL8. They're very dramatic and separated. And apply mascara. I'm going to use the Revolution the mascara. And then on the bottom lashes I'm going to take a little mascara wand and the NYX White. And I'm going to put this on my lower lashes. All I'm going to do is first take the light blue we went in with on a bigger fluffy brush, and I'm going to go and contour. I'm gonna take the darker blue okay, so now for highlight I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star highlight in Ice Cold and really pack that on. For the lips I'm gonna take, well, I've already taken the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Blue Velvet, which is a nice dark blue. Now I'm going to top it off with a little bit of like a lip topper. This is the Revolution lip topper in Fortune, which is a nice like silvery glittery topper. I'll put that on the back of my hand because I don't want to get the wand all blue. So this is it. This is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I enjoyed creating it. And yeah, it's something different. It's like a snow ice queen look. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on the blue contour. I think it's really cool, really different. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I will link the playlist for my 12 days of Christmas up there so you don't miss out on any of them. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.